Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Arknights Endfield game releasing resources stuck at 0%. So if you have been stuck at 0% at releasing resources, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to run the game as an administrator. First, make sure to close the Arknights Endfield game. So right click on the system tray and then click on task manager. Here right click on Arknights Endfield game and then select end task. Now open Epic Games and then next to the Arknights Endfield game, click on this three dot and then click on manage. And next to the installation, click on this folder icon. It will open the game installation folder. Now right click on this launcher exe file and then select properties and then go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Then open the games folder, open the Endfield game folder. Here look for the endfield.exe file, right click on it and then select properties, go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on this endfield.exe file, then select properties, go to compatibility tab, uncheck run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and go back. Right click on this launcher exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, untick run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. The next fix is to launch the game in DirectX 11. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the Arknights Endfield game and then click on manage. Then toggle on the launch options and then here type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to this manage, remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then click on launch, click yes to allow. This will open the Endfield launcher. Now below the play button you will see this option launch with DirectX 11, use if the game encounters issues. So tick mark it and then click on play and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then fix 3 is to verify the game files on Epic Games. So first of all, close the launcher. Also close the Epic Games. Click on this arrow button and then right click on Epic Games launcher and select exit. Now again open Epic Games launcher. Go to library. Then click on this three dot next to the Arknights Endfield game and then click on manage and then click on verify next to verify files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to verify the Arknights Endfield launcher. So open Epic Games, click on launch, click yes to allow, then click on this three horizontal line next to play button and then click on check game integrity and then click on start checking. It will do the quick repair for the game and fix the problem. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Arknights Endfield releasing resources stuck at 0% problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.